How to check connected devices on Android Bluetooth. This tutorial shows you how to view and manage everything currently paired or connected to your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Connections. After that, tap Bluetooth. At this point, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on at the top so your connected devices show up in the list. From here, you'll see your devices split into two sections. Connected devices at the top, showing everything currently active, and previously connected devices below, showing anything that's been paired before but isn't connected right now. Following this, tap on any device in the connected section to see more details about it, like the battery level if the device supports it, and options to rename it or disconnect it. After that, tap the settings icon next to any device if you want to adjust what that device is used for, like switching between media audio, phone calls, or both. From here, if you want to disconnect a device without unpairing it, tap Disconnect, and it will drop the connection but stay saved so you can reconnect later without having to go through pairing again. Finally, if you want to fully remove a device from your list, tap Unpair, and it will be cleared completely, requiring you to go through the pairing process again if you want to reconnect it in the future. That's how you check connected Bluetooth devices on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.